Hello, Nardyking here. I have an unboxing of the NVIDIA GeForce GTS for 450. Now this video card is a little bit overclocked from 700 to 800 megahertz, almost of 50 megahertz. It has a dual fans, wind force. Alright, and 3 years warranty, 1 Gigabyte of RAM, GDDR5, and let's get started. Let's open this baby up. Look what we got inside. Just got back from the store. Let's open this up. Alright, here we have the GTS 450 installation guide and the CD. We have a power connector and a mini HDMI to HDMI, and VGA to DVI. Now we got the card itself. As you can see, it's a dual fan. We should open this up. I'll just place my phone somewhere. Here we go. Amazing. What a nice. Look at this. It has a dual fan cooling of from Gigabyte, and it has 2 DVI ports. It has 2 DVI ports and a HDMI port, and that's all. So guys, that's all for the box. I'm going to get the Gigabyte GeForce 450 to the work, and I'll give you guys my review.